In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear bumper cover retainer on your Nissan Altima. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the rear bumper cover retainers on your vehicle, you need to remove the rear bumper cover to gain full access. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk. In order to change the rear bumper cover on your vehicle, you will need to remove the tail light to have full access. To access the tail light, remove the trunk seal by the light. Then, shift the trunk carpet. Disconnect the electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using an 8mm wrench, unscrew the two nuts holding the taillight housing. Remove the taillight housing, taking care to free the wiring harness by removing the seal from the car body. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the bumper cover in the wheel arch. On the mudguard, remove the plastic rivet using a fork. Next, using the same tool, remove the two retaining rivets on the underbody. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Next, using a fork, remove the two rivets holding the plastic cover. Next, using the same tool, remove the two rivets in the taillight slot. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the upper bumper cover retaining bolt. Repeat the same steps on the other side. You can now unclip the rear bumper cover from the bumper retainers. The rear bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You now have a clear view of your rear bumper cover retainers on each side of the vehicle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the two retainer bolts. Using a fork, remove the three rivets holding the trunk carpet. Then, shift the carpet. Then unclip the clips holding the retainer. Remove the retainer. Repeat this step on the other side. You can order the rear bumper cover retainers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the retainers. Put the bumper cover retainer in place, then clip it onto its slots. Next, screw the two retaining bolts back in. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Then put the rivets back in place. Take the rear bumper cover. Put the rear bumper cover back in place by its central part first. Then reattach each side to the bumper cover retainers. Put the rivets back in place. Screw the retaining bolts back on at the trunk. Put the mudguards back in place. Then, retighten the retaining bolt. Then put the rivets back in place. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Put the rivets back in place on the plastic cover. Take the taillight, insert the taillight harness into the hole provided and reposition the seal. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Then, screw the two mounting nuts back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Put the seal back in place. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Operation complete.